Hey stars, welcome back to my channel. I'm Curlygrayinluxury. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay stars, I'm currently in Bushwick, Brooklyn, about to visit L Train Vintage to go thrifting, as you'll see in the earlier clips. They have two other locations located in Crown Heights, Brooklyn, which I have never visited but can't wait to do so. This is my second time visiting this location. My daughter's the one who introduced me to this place. As you'll see, this place is huge and has other vintage artifacts. Before coming here, you have to plan your visit because it's so massive. I came just to get work pants. What are you doing? FYI, sizes are not in numerical order, so pack your patience. I was already getting distracted. You can get really overwhelmed with all the pieces they have. Didn't I say I came for work pants? Why am I looking at shoes? Please, can someone tell me? Leave a comment below and tell me what you think so far. I mean, they had so much fur. I really like this hat, but I was afraid to try it on because I wasn't able to sanitize it before, so I didn't try it on, but I really like it. You see all this real fur? And not to piss off the PETA people, but I like fur. Look at this one. This looks like it's fox. Wow, I really like this one. But I was trying my best to remain focused on what I came there to do. $30 for a fur coat? Oh, stay focused, girl, stay focused. This is a little mini bridge to cross over to the other side. Remember, this place is massive. Do you see what I'm saying? Oh, just showing you guys my fit for the day. Do you see that jacket? I had that forever. They even have vintage piano. Look, me trying to play piano. That's my son's department. Girl, get your hands off the piano. You don't know how to play. A vintage typewriter? I bet you Gen Zs don't know nothing about this. Look at me looking at shit I got no business looking at. Not staying focused. Typical me. I really like this jacket though. Tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment below what you think so far. And remind me not to ever chew gum while I'm filming. I look like a cow. Back down the bridge again to go back to where I started. Okay, stars. I know I said I came for work pants, but when I saw this coat, it was everything. I wanted it so bad, but I know I didn't have any room for it in my house. But I just wanted it so bad. It was so good. So good. I really, really love this coat. Look at it. Look at it. And this is why I had to slow the video down to show you guys how good this coat was. OMG. Every time I see this clip, it just blows my mind. I finally made it to the fitting room. As you can see, well, I don't think you can see, but this fitting room is really, 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 really small. Does anyone else do that while they're trying on a pants to make the crotch area feel comfortable? Leave a comment. Let me know what you do. I was so hot trying this stuff on because our room was small and I overdressed. I even took off my necklace. You see that sign? Can't bring shit back. It's a final sale, okay?
Oh, I see. Thank you.
Now on my way to find something to eat. A girl has built up an appetite. Oh wow, this looks delicious. Wow. Thank you. All right. A girl is about to get down. Again, this is why I have to slow the video up so you guys can see, I mean business. Okay? Delicious. You heard that crunch coming from that broccoli? Wow. Are you guys hungry yet? Look at that noodles. That flat, broad noodles. I love it. This dish was so delicious. I can't tell you guys. Can't wait to go back. Leave a comment below. Okay, at this point, I was literally getting tired of chewing, if there's such a thing. But I was getting tired of chewing, honestly. And it could be because I was tired from all that walking around. Okay, this is really good. I'm finished with it. Now I'm gonna order dessert. They had more beef than noodles, so I'm not gonna finish the rest of this beef. I wish they had more noodles than beef. So I'm not gonna finish it. I don't feel like eating all this beef. Do you have the crème brulee?
Yes. Can I order that? Yeah.
Lychee creme brulee. I can't wait to taste that. Wow. Sounds really delicious.
Thank you so much.
She bought me a spoon.
Cannot wait.
Cannot wait. One of my all-time favorite desserts, a creme brulee. And this beer is pretty good. Original Thai beer. It's nice and light. What is this, cereal? Is this cereal? Looks like cereal. I don't know. Yeah. Cereal. I have another one, but I'm not going to be greedy. Anyway.
That was a great meal. You know me, I just can't go home. There is this vintage store next door that I had to go check out. How cute is this? A mother of pearl salt and pepper shaker. They had a little bit of everything in this cute little spot.
Magazine. Well,
All right, stars, that's it. Wait a minute, what is that? Is that a cat on a leash? I've never seen this before. I had to record this guy with his cat on a leash. Leave in the comments below, tell me if you've ever seen anything like this. Or have you done something like this? Weird, but okay, we're in New York. Free ride until March 30th, 2024. What is that about? Leave a comment below, let me know what that's about, if anyone knows. And as you can see, it's getting dark. It's time to go home at this point. I had a very long day.